We all know the importance of proper food habits and physical activity in kids. But how to do it, how to go about it, is something which we are unaware of. I'm trying to tell about those things in this video. So first 2 years, 0 to 2 years, the major points are: one is exclusive breastfeeding till 6 months of age. Start complementary feeds after completion of 6 months. Try to avoid or minimize the use of salt and sugar during this period. And total switch over to family pot diet after 1 year, while you continue breastfeeding till 2 years of age. The major bulk of weight gain, that is, in the first year of age, the babies gain around 6 to 8 kgs. And then from then on, it's around 2 kgs per year. So the nutritional needs decrease, their appetite decrease, they become very choosy, picky eaters. So the basic food plan is 3 meals plus 2 snacks, but the quantity they eat may decrease. And the parents are very much concerned about their eating habits and the change in their physical structure during this period. So they ask about appetizers, multivitamins, deworming and things like that. They won't work as far as appetite is concerned. But deworming has to be done every 6 months. It's not to increase the appetite, but to keep the bowel clean and to prevent anemia. So trying to increase the appetite is not practically possible. The only thing is whatever they eat has to be healthy. So for that, we need to incorporate fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts and whole grains in their diet. The refined grains have to be minimized. The total intake of free sugars should be minimized. Total intake of salt should be minimized. And the proportion of fats they take has to be kept minimal. And out of that, try to reduce the intake of trans fats as much as possible. That is, the trans fats are the ones which are there in packaged foods, tin foods and fast food. So that has to be minimized. That is not healthy fats. So that has to be minimized. So the food pyramid will look like: the base should be containing fruits, vegetables, breads, rice, grains, beans, nuts and things like that. And then on top of that, of lesser quantity, should be fish and seafood. Then to the lesser quantity, poultry, eggs, cheese, yogurt and other dairy products. Free sweets or the things which are like dipped in sweets have to be minimized, and red meat lesser than that. So that should be the food pyramid that has to be followed. So the advantage of having a proper food habit is the decrease in non-communicable diseases. Earlier generation, the concern was about communicable diseases that used to wipe out a major chunk of population on the surface of the earth. But now, after the era of vaccination, the communicable diseases have come down. The COVID is the one which has been the only concern in recent years. So the communicable diseases have come under control and lifestyle diseases had taken over in the last few years. So obesity, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, stroke, cancer. So all these things are the major concerns now. So for that, ensuring proper food habit is very important to control these diseases. And along with that, we should ensure proper physical activity as well. So the recommendation from 5 years to 17 years is around 60 minutes of physical activity every day. So most of the time in schools, they are able to maintain that. But during this period of lockdown and things like that, it has come down considerably. And that's why probably I've noted most of the kids have gained a lot of weight during this period. So ensuring 60 minutes of physical activity daily is very important. So playing sports, games and all these things which should be a part of their recreation activity should be maintained. And the most of the activity should be aerobic. And nowadays, the parents are more health conscious, and so kids keep on asking about strength training, weight training, whether they can do, when can they start and things like that. So strength training can be started around 7 to 8 years, but ensure that they do proper warm-up and after the exercise, they do proper cool-down. And to initiate, it should be kept like cycling, swimming, sprinting and body weight exercises like push-ups and pull-ups. But while doing all these, make sure that proper technique is followed and it is being supervised. And they should take proper rest and break in between the workouts. And it should be a part of their routine thing, and it should be fun. It should not come as a burden to them. And proper weight training, like the weight training to build up muscles. For bulking up the muscles should be started only after achieving puberty, TANF, staging. So proper age cutoff is not there, but as and when they achieve proper puberty, they can start muscle bulking exercises. But muscle strengthening exercises can be started as early as 7 to 8 years. Above 18 years, they should be following a physical activity plan of at least 150 minutes per week. That is around 30 minutes per day. And if you maintain it for 5 days a week, it's good enough. And the advantages in children of maintaining proper physical activity is proper healthy musculoskeletal tissues, healthy cardiovascular system, better coordination and movement control, maintaining healthy body weight, better control over anxiety and depression. They have better self-expression and self-confidence. And adoption of proper healthy behaviors will help them to avoid tobacco, alcohol, and drug use. And these kids with proper healthy body figure have better academic performance at school. The advantages of maintaining proper physical activity in adults is basically protection against all these lifestyle diseases which were mentioned earlier. It decreases overall mortality, decreases coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, and improve their cardiovascular and muscular fitness. So maintaining a proper food habit and maintaining proper physical activity is very important to decrease lifestyle diseases or non-communicable diseases, which in turn will improve your life expectancy and quality of life as well. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.